Hello everyone. In these troubled times, the one thing that is always there in our kitchen is potatoes. Today I am going to make a very easy recipe of Aloo Bati Chorchori. For that I have taken 3 medium-sized potatoes. Peel the potatoes and cut them into thin slices just like I am showing. Take 1 large tomato or 2 small ones and de-seed them and slice them too. In a mixing bowl, take the potatoes, add 1 large thinly sliced onion, the tomatoes and 2 green chilies. Salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Finally add 1½ tablespoon of mustard oil. Give it a good mix. Transfer the contents to a tiffin box. You will also need a pressure cooker with an inch of water at the bottom. Place the tiffin box in the pressure cooker and cook for 10 minutes or 1 whistle. In case you don't have a pressure cooker, then place the tiffin box in a steamer and cover and cook for 20 minutes. Once the steam is released, open the cooker and the tiffin box. Aloo Bati Chorchori is ready. Stir it once and serve it hot. This dish tastes the best with hand-rolled rotis or parathas. Why don't you try this recipe today and let us know how you like it?